Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Alcatel 3T104G. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find Microsoft Edge. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now we can customize it, so sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And finally, you can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.